We're at the Days Inn and the Quality Inn off Clark Road in Sarasota, Florida. We're gonna ride the elevators. Since these elevators are pretty similar, we're gonna ride both of them in the same video. We're gonna start with the Days Inn. We're gonna go to 3. It's a Mowrey. Here's a quick look at the hallway. We're gonna go down the 1. Here's your emergency phone. It says Oracle Elevator right there. Maybe that's who maintains this. They updated the cab since the last time I was here. We're gonna go for one more ride. Here's your inspection certificate. So the button doesn't go out until the doors are fully open. It's got a lantern here, but I don't think it works. Alright, let's go check out the one at the Quality Inn. Here we are at the Quality Inn. This one has a chime, and it's virtually the same elevator, but it's mirrored. This one also has newer brails. GAL interlock up there. We're gonna go to 1. Here's your emergency phone. Panel looks a lot like a Dover Impulse, but obviously it's not. Yeah, kind of a shame that doesn't work. The lantern doesn't work. We're gonna go down to 2 and see what an intermediate call button looks like. There's the call button right here. do you know, the down lantern does work. We're gonna go to 1. Just because I'm curious, I kind of want to go back to the days in and see if that does the trick, if you have to call it going down. So we're gonna skip ahead to that. All right, we're back in the days in. Let's see if it does the trick. And it doesn't. Oh well, I was just curious. Since we're up here, you're gonna get an extra ride going down. I rode up with people, so I didn't film that. But yeah, really interesting how these hotels and these elevators are basically mirror images of each other. And that'll be it.